Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing grilled thick cut pork chops on the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill, and I'm going to show you a way where your food will always turn out good. You know, meat cooks to a certain temperature. You don't want to overcook it, you don't want to undercook it, but I'm going to show you something. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. Alright guys, so this is what we got. We got some thick cut pork chops. I mean, by the looks of them, we're probably talking about 3/4 of an inch or so. So they're pretty good. I'm just going to show you kind of on the label what they're labeled as. Pork top loin chop boneless is what these are. And these are really good. I love these. Grill them, smoke them, whatever you like to do. But today, we're going to do these on the Ninja Foodi. So I'm going to take some of these out and we're going to season them up and prep them. We'll be right back. Alright guys, this is what we got. I pulled out 4. There was like 9 or something in the package, but I actually measured them to make sure. These bad boys are 1 inch thick. Yes sir. Boneless, awesome chops. Pork chops. Alright, so what we're going to want to do, alright, so I just took them out of the package. Didn't do anything to them, didn't rinse them off. You can rinse yours off if you want. Not a big deal. So the first thing we're going to do is we got some high heat oil. I like to use avocado oil. You can use vegetable or canola or whatever high heat oil you want. Now this is just to help get some grill marks on it and let the seasoning stick. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go in just real lightly over the top of these with a little bit of oil. Then we're going to go in with our seasoning. First we're going to hit them up with some cracked black pepper. Oh man, gotta love that black pepper. And also just remember what I'm using, you don't have to use as far as the seasonings go, but these seasonings are great. Next we're going to go in with, it's incredible. This stuff is incredible for sure. There'll be a link in the description below. There's also a discount code if you want to get it, but it's phenomenal. It's probably my favorite all seasoning that you can get. So we're going to go in with some of that. Yes. Oh, I love the flavor and the smell of that. So good. And then the last thing, it's also Heaven Made Products, and it's Amazing Cajun. We're going to go very lightly over the top with this. Get some nice flavor and some color. Oh, yeah. I mean, they already smell good enough to eat or eat. Obviously, you wouldn't do that, but they look and smell phenomenal. So this is what we got for our seasoning. Remember, you can use any seasoning you want, inch thick, and we're going to cook these really fast too. These are going to be done very, very quickly. So I am going to flip these over. I'm not going to add oil to the other side. I'm just going to season them, and then we'll meet you at the Ninja. See you in a minute. Alright guys, so here we are at the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill, and as promised, I'm going to show you how to get the best thick cut pork chops. Now the secret is searing. Alright, and what we're going to be using is the drip pan below and the grill grate. So we're going to close this up. We're going to go ahead and turn this on. We're going to be using the grill function. We're going to turn it from high to max, so the highest you can go. I'm going to press start, let it preheat. We'll throw these bad boys on. We'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, as you can see it says add food, so we are done preheating. So what we're going to do is open this thing up. And it's super hot, and actually off camera I decided to add one more pork chop to this. So what we're going to do is go ahead and add these. Now while it's hot, we have the side that we oiled right here, and we didn't oil the other side, but we want to go ahead and put that oiled side right down. And you can place these any way that you want on the grill. All I'm trying to do is get some good grill marks on these, and you can fit way more than what I'm putting in here, but this is what I got. So instead of 4, I added an extra because somebody else was hungry. So we got 5 in there, and what we're going to do is go ahead and close the top. Now it's set for 10 minutes. Shouldn't take that long, but let's see how long it takes. We'll be right back. Okay guys, we're going to count down at the 1:30 mark. We're going to open this up and see what's going on. Alright, those look absolutely amazing. Now, with your thermometer, you always want to check the internal temperature. I mean, you really want these right around 140 or so. Yep, these are around 150, 141, 139, 142. You can see that. Oh, is that 142? These are perfectly cooked. So we're basically 8.5 minutes in. These are perfectly done. So the other thing I want to check real quick, did we get any grill marks? Let's see. Except that the grill marks are, oh man, look at that. Those are phenomenal. Doesn't that make it, oh, there's juices. See the, ooh, ouch, it's hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these off and let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. We're going to cut into them. We'll see at the cutting board in just a minute. Alright guys, so this is what we ended up with. Well, juices, I gotta watch for the juices, but look at these pork chops. They came out absolutely amazing. And you can see all the juice flowing everywhere. We're gonna slice into one of these. Oh yeah. And perfectly cooked. Perfectly cooked. I mean, all of it. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and get a couple of slices up in here. Wow, man. I'm gonna kill for some awesome, like that. Soft, tender. Absolutely juicy. Look at what we did. And the other side is not gonna have grill marks, so we didn't flip it, but perfectly cooked. I just like those grill marks for the beautiful look. Ah, so awesome. So anyway, oh man, these are phenomenal. So we'll catch up top. Don't go anywhere because I got something for you. See you in a minute. All right, we are finished with the cook, and as you can see, we made some awesome grilled pork chops. And the secret is high heat and searing. And the Ninja Foodi does it better than any other like air fryer grill combo. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna be coming out with a review of how awesome this thing is compared to all other cooking machines that I've used, and I've used a lot. So anyway, these were amazing for sure. So if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing. If you like the content, make sure to give a thumbs up. If you like the content, make sure to drop an awesome comment. And with that being said, we will catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.